Ghana ni ye dwumadi ekoso anopa bia fontom from dwumadi so ne no na eye accident victim support Ghana penifo bepie so wo eye wona wanya kwanhia da na wohwe so betumi aboda wuro na yenuano mu a wo efo ahyen wona wotena ahyen mu no woka enso betumi abo wo ho eban yie na wo kire ya wohwe se enema wodi agu akwamu hwe se afie wei esmasa ye ba bepie mu no enema wodi agu akwamu ede eboa.
Accident Victims Awareness Month. Me hame se cancer ayehu nkofo dodo a cancer akun wo unless in the month of that cancer awareness. Enko ana ya be yi obi nufu. Na enu po no asan se ye nufu na mema nso edo so pe nufu nti no ye di ekire. But what me ase na ye miemia nufu no because that's the only month we get friend Crabbe ma nkwa or your holy say God nufu be ma say Mia. Oh, that's the truth. That's why every 1st January, in the first 3 months of this month, 176 in the first 3 months. Is that not alarming? Because we are my brother polishing 176 na ye with no fault of theirs. And we think as a country say it's not enough to talk about it. As if that is not enough. Times 3 within the first 6 months. Including the 16 children.
Yeah, 16 children.
Before the 16 children, the first 3 months, we are 62 children. And we think as a country, we don't have to talk about it. And this year, you can. Accident this year, I got the country talking. So can't we for once adhere to at least a month, including the first gentleman of the land, second gentleman of the land, third gentleman of the land, which is parliament, and even the judiciary, and then the 4th arm of the realm, which is the entertainment sector,
the media,
to start talking about it.